Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with American Express UK Cards. Review my usage experience. American Express UK Cards Review My Usage Experience offers a comparison and analysis of various American Express credit cards available in the UK. It aims to help consumers choose the best card based on their spending habits and financial goals. Key features would likely include comparing reward programs, annual fees, interest rates, and other relevant benefits. Their website provides details on the different Amex cards available and allows users to filter by features to find the most suitable option. The site seems to focus on clear and concise information, aiming for pricing transparency. While it doesn't offer a direct comparison tool with other credit card providers, its detailed analysis of Amex cards is strong. The availability is, naturally, limited to American Express cards offered in the UK. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using American Express UK Cards. Review my usage experience. I needed a new credit card and was overwhelmed by the sheer number of Amex options. Getting started was straightforward. The website is well organized and easy to navigate. I found the search filters incredibly helpful. I was able to quickly narrow down my choices based on my preference for cashback rewards and a low annual fee. The website clearly outlines the benefits and drawbacks of each card, including the fine print, which is essential. I particularly appreciated the detailed explanations of each reward program's terms and conditions. So many comparison sites miss these critical details. The site performed well, it loaded quickly, and the information was presented clearly. I didn't need to contact customer support, but the contact details were readily available on the site. One minor drawback was the lack of interactive tools, like a points calculator to help estimate rewards, but overall, the information presented was sufficient. I was really impressed by how comprehensive and unbiased the reviews were. The standout feature for me was definitely the clear presentation of the information. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using American Express UK Cards. Review my usage experience. It helped me make an informed decision about which Amex card best suits my needs. That's my overview of American Express UK Cards. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.